Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about clippers. Clippers are otherwise called wave shaping circuits. Okay. So what is this wave shaping and clipper circuits? If you have given a sine wave, then we want to convert that wave into a particular type of wave which is required. We can do it by means of this clipper. Okay, see here, this is what your input sine wave. Okay, in this input sine wave I don't want this particular portion, I want to clip away the particular portion, means I can do it by means of this circuit called clipper. So I want to clip away any particular part in the positive of cycle, then it is called positive clipper. So if you want to clip away anything in your negative values, then it is negative clipper. See, in this circuit, this is your input and this is your output. We have clipped away all the negative values. So this is called negative clipper, and this is called positive clipper. In the output we don't get any positive value, that's why this is called positive clipper. So here a clipper is classified into series clipper and a shunt clipper, and also there are different types of combinational clippers. Okay, so first we will see what is a series clipper. Series clipper is classified into positive clipper and negative clipper. As we know already, if you clip away any positive value, then it is called positive clipper. If you clip away any negative values, it is called negative clipper. Okay, in positive clippers there are two types again, with bias and without bias. Negative clippers also we have with bias and without bias. What we are seeing here is just without bias, normal positive clipper and normal negative clipper. In this we see the circuit. This is what your series negative clipper, this is series negative clipper, and this is shunt negative clipper. What is the difference between series and shunt negative clippers? In series negative clipper, if you connect a diode in series with your input signal, then it is called series clipper. If you connect the diode in shunt with your input signal, then it is called shunt clipper. Okay, so that and all we understood. Okay, now we will check what is the operation of this series clipper, how this is acting as a negative clipper, how this is going to clip away some negative part in your input signal. Okay, see here, this is your input signal and this is your output signal. To understand this, the main concept is this one. What is this? In a diode, if you have a high voltage at this place and low voltage at this place, then the diode will be in on condition. If it is in the opposite way, low voltage here and high voltage here, then it is off condition. With this concept you can explain many operation of this diode. Okay, so this is what the main concept to understand whole clipper circuits. Okay, now see here, I am applying some during the positive off cycle of your input signal, positive values are coming. I am giving positive values at this place, that's what it is showing. This side is positive value, and what about this side? This side is grounded, this side is grounded, that means zero value. This is zero and this is positive, that is high value here, low value here, high here and low here. What about the diode? Diode will be on. If diode is on, your signal will be produced in the output. See here, if the value is high, more than 0, the output we are getting the signal, we are getting the signal in the output, no issue. Okay, after this point, that is 0 point, we get minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like that. Here minus value, here 0 value. Now the condition changed to off, so the diode becomes off. If this is off, you don't get any output in the signal. Okay, so that is how we have clipped away the negative part of this input signal. Okay, this is what your series type of negative clipper. Okay, in the same way, see here, positive clipper, if you want to convert it into positive clipper, only simple variation, you just change the direction of this diode, then automatically you can clearly understand the positive portion of this input signal is clipped away, and we will get only the negative portion of this input signal. Okay, so this is series negative clipper and this is series positive clipper. Okay, next thing is you can also do the same operation by means of changing this diode to shunt position. So what is happening here, how this circuit also give the same waveform, same output, let us check here. Okay, here if you give positive values, here positive value, here 0, here positive value and here 0. So here you can check this diode is not going to on, this is off condition. Okay, here here this is positive value and here it is 0. So it is, this side is high, this side is low compared to this side. So what happens to this diode? This diode will be in off condition. If diode is in the off condition, all the signal coming from here side, this side, will reach the output. Okay, so that is why we are getting this output. Okay, during negative off cycle, what happens? This side we will get negative signals, negative value, and this side is 0. So what happens? Now the diode will be in on condition. If the diode is in the on condition, what happens? This will act as a short circuit. This will conduct and it will act as a short circuit and make all the signals to ground. So all the signals get grounded and no signal will be available in the output. So that is why we are not getting any signal during the negative values are coming. Okay, the same way here also for shunt clipper. Okay, if positive values coming here, positive values coming here, here positive, here 0, positive here 0 means this is what this is now on condition. If this is on condition means then it will make all the signals to get grounded and no signal will be available in the output area. So that is why no signal is coming here. Okay, then if you are giving negative values, here negative value, here 0, so this diode will be in off condition. If the diode gets to off condition, all the signal coming here will be transferred to your output area. So that is why we are getting the output signal in the output. Okay, so this is what your positive clipper and negative clipper without bias. With bias, what will happen if you apply some voltage? Here no voltage is applied extra, but here for a biased clipper we have to connect the same circuit only. Instead we have connected a voltage source at this place. See, everywhere we have connected a voltage source. If you connect, you can give positive voltage source and also negative voltage source, and we are going to check what happens to the output waveform. Here also we have given a positive voltage source and negative voltage source. This is negative clipper and positive clipper. Okay, we know normal negative clipper and normal positive clipper already. Okay, now from this diagram we will learn from this circuit we will learn what is this biased clipper. Biased clipper means let me tell you this circuit, then you can understand all the circuits on your own. See, negative clipper. Okay, again I am saying this concept is very important. This side high, this side low means diode is on. This side low and this side high means diode is off. Okay, now let me take this diagram. Here whatever may be the circuit, what is the input signal? Input signal is just the sine wave, whatever given here. Input signal is sine wave. Output signal, what is shown here with a complete line. A complete line, what we have shown is what the output signal from this circuit. Okay, so from this circuit, what is the output signal? So this is what the output signal we obtained. From this circuit, what is the output signal? So this is what the output signal we obtained. Okay, input signal is a complete sine wave. Okay, now let us check why this circuit gives only this output signal when a complete sine wave is given as the input to this circuit. Okay, now let me check. Let me take this voltage as some 3 volt. We have applied some 3 volt here. Okay, now 0 volt is applied here, that is 1 volt for the positive half cycle. 0 volt, 1 volt, 2 volt, 3 volt. So let me take 1 volt. 1 volt is coming this place, and what about this place? 3 volt. Okay, 1 volt here, 3 volt here. This side is low, this side is high. What about the operation state of this diode? The state of this diode is off. If it is off, no output is coming outside. Okay, so 1 volt, 2 volt, 2.5 volt, every time this diode is in the off condition, so no output is coming. Okay, when your input voltage is more than this reference voltage, let me take this as a reference voltage VR. When this input voltage is more than the reference voltage, then only this diode becomes on condition. If it becomes on condition, then your output starts to come. Okay, when again your input voltage is reduced less than your reference voltage, that is 3 volt, then automatically the diode becomes off, then you will not get any output. Okay, again when your input goes to minus values, when your input value is more than the reference voltage, then only the diode starts to conduct, then only you will get your output in your signal in your output. Okay, the same way let me check here what happens. I am giving now negative values, that is your minus 3 volt I am providing. Okay, now let me check what happens to the operation of this circuit. Okay, I am giving the input signal. Input signal means complete sine wave. So I give 1 volt, here 1 volt, here minus 3 volt, here high, here low. So no problem, the diode is in the on condition only. So the output is coming, the signal is coming in the output. Okay, then up to 0, here minus 3 volt, no problem, diode is in the on condition, signal is coming in the output. Okay, but when your input signal here after 0, minus 1, minus 2, after minus 3, if your this side signal is more than minus 3 volt, here minus 4 and here minus 3, then automatically this diode becomes off condition, so you will not get any output after that. Okay, so that is why we are getting these types of output from a negative clipper with bias. Okay, in the same way you can also check for positive clipper with this positive bias and negative bias. Okay, if you are getting a positive bias, then your signal will be like this. Okay, signal will go like this, and you will clip away this portion. Okay, if you give a negative clipper, negative bias, then you can clip away this much amount of portion in your positive. Okay, see here in this total circuit, this is a positive clipper. So positive clipper means using this bias you can clip away a small portion of positive signal, and also you can slowly clip away the total amount of positive signal. In the same way, negative clipper also, you can clip away a small portion of negative in this waveform, and you can also, by means of varying this reference voltage, we can also clip away the whole portion of this negative values in this waveform. Okay, so this is your positive clipper with bias and negative clipper with bias. You can also create a combinational clipper, that is dual clipper. What is my dual clipper? Sir, I want to clip away a particular portion in the positive and particular portion in the negative. That is also possible by means of using this type of combinational clipper. See, this is a shunt clipper. So here we have given a positive reference voltage and one more negative reference voltage. Because of this positive and negative reference voltage, this will be a positive value, reference value, and this will be a negative reference value. So due to this, you will get only this portion of your input signal in the output. You have clipped away the particular portion in the positive area and particular portion in the negative area using these types of dual clipper, or otherwise called a combinational clipper. Okay, so in this video we learnt about what is a clipper and what are all the types of clipper, and we learnt about different types of series clipper, shunt clipper, and positive clipper, negative clipper, and also in positive we have learnt about biased clipper, and in negative also we learnt about biased clipper. After that we learnt about your dual clipper or combinational clipper to clip away a particular portion in positive and also particular portion in the negative. Okay, I hope you understand this video. You can rewind this video and check to understand this concept more and more. Okay, if you like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to Systemism. Thank you.